Super League.
Yeah, 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 yeah. If you got a good girl, then style her. She said it's the thought that counts, but let's be real. You don't believe that shit, and she don't believe that either. If you can't afford that girl, just leave her alone, it's wiser. He doesn't trust this chick with a big voice, that's why he gaslights her and hides her. Just got chased in the whip, I'm good. Sang in a car to I'm a survivor. I'm a rider, London's hot, and that's a reminder. We're gonna get him in this best 2 out of 3. This one here to decide on. CPR and chest compression, they come like I'm trying to revive her. Too good to be true? It's probably undies. My man's arms are covered, his jawline thinner, it's probably junkies. Outside his physical contact scoring tries, wanna be rugby. I would double date with Sanchez, fuck car, my man's dated a me. I could put bread on his head, but Donny would do it and save me the fee. It's only a matter of time for someone slips, let's wait and we see. Louis Vuitton just held their store open and they're waiting for me. Assistant telling me, see that jacket, it really fits like they made it for me. That girl saying I'm sample size round here, that shit got a whole nother meaning. Purple snap, must be cheese and gang get odd and we don't get even when I ain't had no paper, man had hustle, a man can't buy that. Rob that, sell and supply that, RJ fry that man on a Friday. I'm trying to show man, that's my way or the highway. I see a man from South on the A13 for pussy and he ain't got a fucking rap. Tusky niggas that don't wanna hustle, you're sat in the hood with your cock in hand. I had to make this happen.